Hi, Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World, and I'm going to do the video walkthrough on the 2021 Imagine XLS 24 MPR. This is actually a little toy hauler or travel trailer with multi-purpose room in the back. So super excited to have it in our lineup. As always, your Imagine has the R40 insulation in the roof, R30 in the floor. That R40 insulation is wrapped right around the front cap as well. 1-year manufacturer's warranty, 3-year structural warranty. The Grand Design warrants the decals for 5 years, your tires for 5 years with 12 months, no questions asked. Nice pass-through storage, lots of room for all your goods that you need to carry along. Full power awning that spans almost the whole length of the trailer with your LED lights and your outside speakers. So I'm at the very back of the trailer here. Again, this is the Imagine XLS 24 MPR. As you can see, we have the cargo ramp door down. Great sleeping space in the back area here. You've got a double on, or a queen on the bottom and a single on the top. There's also an option to have a single over a single or just the queen bed as well. So there's a few different sleeping arrangements there. Your cargo area has a 1,500 pound cargo carrying capacity. Lots of the tether tie downs all over the floor back here. So for your golf cart, your quad, your dirt bikes, whatever you may want to haul around. Be sure to take a look at the still photos, as there will be a photo with the cargo area completely wide open to show you how much space you do have back there. So I'm inside the 2021 Imagine XLS 24 MPR. This coach weighs in at only 6,300 pounds dry, so great weight, half-ton towable. At the front here, we do have the Murphy bed style. So table attached to the sofa here, the sofa flips down, bed comes down, and it's actually quite a comfortable style Murphy bed. Be sure to check the still photos for the style of what the Murphy bed looks like. Great storage around the sides as well, little nightstands too. Also features the roller shades, so just like all other Imagines with the roller shades, this one is nothing short of that either. Your entertainment system is right across from the couch here, so you've got your stereo system and your flat screen TV, which is on a swing arm, so you can maneuver it wherever is most comfortable for you to watch. Kitchen area, your stainless steel one-piece farm sink, the pull-out faucet, little countertop extension here as well to give you some added workspace. Great cabinets, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and your oven. And it does have your 8 cubic foot fridge and freezer. Nice pantry along the side here with some full extension drawers and great storage space in here as well. The washroom has your porcelain foot flush toilet, some linen storage up in the back there, great sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet with more storage, and your residential style shower. So just another shot here back in the garage area of the Imagine 24 MPR. Again, I'm just going to mention 1,500 pound cargo carrying capacity back here. They actually have a sink and some storage cabinets back here. So if you come in from dirt biking or quadding, you don't have to go into the rest of the trailer. You can just wash up right here. And your single over your queen size bed. And I'm going to show you a couple different options here. So here's just another configuration of the bed back here. So you can have the full access to just the queen size bed with putting the single bunk above. Another configuration of the beds back here is the single over single. So you can have this top single down by itself with this bed folded in. You can have the singles on the singles, or you can have the single over the queen, or the queen by itself. So lots of different options depending on what your sleeping needs are. And then the beds fold up just right nice flat against the wall, giving you lots of space back here in your cargo area. So thanks for joining me on this tour of the 2021 Imagine 24 MPR toy hauler. Again, weighing in at 6,300 pounds dry. Be sure to check out all the still photos as well. We've got some samples of the beds, as well as the Murphy bed on there. If you have any questions, give us a call. Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.